OnePlus Ace 3V is confirmed to launch in China next week, March 19, 2024. OnePlus Ace 3V aka Nord 4, the handset which is expected to launch outside of China as the Nord 4. It will be the first phone to launch with Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip. OnePlus claims it offers 15% improvement in CPU performance, 50% boost in GPU performance, and 20% improvement in power saving. Now a OnePlus PJF 110 has been spotted in the Geekbench online database, having run Geekbench 6. It managed a 1,848 single-core score and a 5,007 multi-core score. It is expected to get up to 16 GB of RAM and ship with Android 14. The OnePlus Ace 3V will get a 6.7-inch screen, a 1.5K resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate, with an optical fingerprint sensor with dual stereo speaker. On the rear, it is said to feature a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. It could get a 16-megapixel front camera. It's powered by 500 mAh battery with support for 100W Super VOOC charging. Previous leaks about the OnePlus Ace 3V suggested that it may be priced under 2,000 Chinese yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.